Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deel payroll earnings to your US bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Deel payroll to your US bank account, begin by logging into your Deel account. On the dashboard, navigate to the earnings section. Here, you will see your available balance. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Select bank transfer as your option. Now, provide your US bank account details. This includes your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once you enter your bank details, review them carefully. After confirming that everything is correct, proceed to the next step. You may need to select the currency for your withdrawal. Make sure to choose the appropriate currency that matches your bank account. Next, review any fees associated with the withdrawal. After reviewing, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. If you face any issues, return to the Deel support page for assistance. You can also track the status of your withdrawal in the Withdrawals section of your account. Following these steps will ensure a smooth transfer of your earnings to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.